Bhavna, and today I'm discussing about the Oxolo AI and Pixelcut AI. Oxolo AI is a tool specifically designed for creating engaging e-commerce videos. Its functionalities and features includes easy-to-use editor. It offers a user-friendly platform for video editing, enabling customization of various aspects like voice, actor, music, script, and images. Script writing assistance. It provides help with script writing, facilitating the creation of compelling, relevant video content. Quick video production. It enables the production of videos in a short amount of time, streamlining the video creation process. For e-commerce success, Oxolo can be highly beneficial in several ways, enhancing the product displays. By creating engaging videos, e-commerce businesses can showcase their products more effectively, highlighting the key features and the benefits. Marketing and advertising. Customized videos can be used for targeted marketing campaigns on various platforms, increasing the brand visibility and customer engagement. Content diversification. Adding video content to a marketing strategy can diversify the types of content an e-commerce businesses uses, appealing to a broader audience. Overall, Oxolo's capabilities in producing the quick and customizable video make it a valuable tool for e-commerce businesses looking to enhance their online presence and engage customers through dynamic visual content. Pixelcut AI. Pixelcut AI is a virtual photo studio tool designed for creating professional quality product photos, particularly useful for e-commerce businesses. Its key functionalities and features includes AI generated backgrounds. Allow users to quickly create product photos with the AI generated backgrounds suitable for showcasing products in a variety of settings. Editing tool includes features like background remover, magic eraser, batch edit, image upscaler, and colorize the image API, facilitating the enhancement and customization of product images. Content creation and collaboration offers templates and collaboration tools to aid in content creation and project sharing. For e-commerce success, Pixelcut AI can be instrumental in enhancing the product listings. High-quality images with appealing backgrounds can make product listings more attractive, potentially increasing the customer's interest and sales. Efficiently managing the product photos, the batch editing and other tools can streamline the process of preparing the product images for online stores. Improving the marketing materials. Pixelcut AI can be used to create compelling images for marketing campaigns, social media posts, and other promotional materials. By providing an easy-to-use platform for creating and editing the product images, Pixelcut AI helps e-commerce businesses improve their online presence and appeal to customers through visually striking product presentations. Thank you very much for watching us.